Here we're gonna make another video on how to standardize the solution of ammonium iron 2 sulfate, and this is a solution that is needed for the COD determination of water. And for standardizing ammonium iron 2 sulfate, we need 0.02 molar potassium permanganate for this. And let's come to the point how we made ammonium iron 2 sulfate. To make it, we have to dissolve 40 gram of ammonium iron 2 sulfate in 100 ml of 2 molar sulfuric acid, because ammonium iron 2 sulfate is a compound that doesn't dissolve in water or any organic solvent, and that's why we have to dissolve it in sulfuric acid. And after dissolving it, we have to dilute the solution and make the volume with freshly boiled and cooled water, and that's why we have to boil the water first, and after that we will make it cool in an ice bath, and after that we will make the volume up to 1000 ml. And after making the potassium permanganate solution, we have to standardize ammonium iron 2 sulfate, and for this we have to take 25 ml of ammonium iron 2 sulfate in a conical flask for making the titration, doing the titration. And 25 ml of 0.1 molar ammonium iron 2 sulfate, we have to add 10 ml of 1 molar sulfuric acid and 1 ml of orthophosphoric acid. We have to do it because we have to maintain the pH, optimum pH for this, and we don't need any kind of indicator for this, because the potassium permanganate itself will work as an indicator. And now we are gonna see how to titrate the ammonium iron 2 sulfate solution with potassium permanganate. We will standardize this thing in the following manner, and after that we will calculate and we will find out the standard value, standard strength of ammonium iron 2 sulfate. I have to be clear about one thing, that why we need to standardize a solution, because there might be some errors while we make a solution, and 5% error is acceptable, and we will calculate the real strength of the solution we have made. So let's go to the video how to do it. We will pour potassium permanganate from burette slowly to the solution. I have already said there will not be any kind of indicator here, because the potassium permanganate is colored solution, and that's why it will work itself as an indicator.
স্ট্যান্ডার্ড চলতেছে, আরো স্যাম্পল চলতে 1 ঘন্টা, 2 ঘন্টা, 2.5 ঘন্টা, আরো 2.5 ঘন্টা লাগবে দেখতে হবে।
We can fast it up because we know it will take about 25 ml potassium permanganate from our previous experience, so we are making it faster because we don't have enough time in our hand.
But this is not the right procedure.
I know that this is not the right procedure, but when you become experienced, you can skip some ways,
No, we should not do this.
Yeah, I know.
You should follow the...
There are lots of shoots and shootdowns. Do we follow them?
Yes. Why not?
We do sometimes, but when it is a matter where we can skip it, we will skip. It's a procedure, isn't it? Now we will pour the potassium permanganate slowly, because it is gonna change the color soon. We have to shake the conical flask as much as we can because the reaction will occur first. We might need more.
So what is the in point?
In point will be pink itself, the color of the potassium permanganate.
Okay.
So we are very close. And yes, we have already got the end point. So this is the color we were expecting, and this is the end point of the titration. And we will take the borate reading from here, and we will make a calculation and find out the actual strength of ammonium iron 3 sulfate. Sorry, ammonium iron 2 sulfate. Okay, here in video was our big brother who is always accompanying me to make any kind of video. We do it together. This is Ammonium Khan. He's from SAST. And here is another friend of mine. He's from my university. Is Russell Mahmood. He's from ESRM department. Okay, thanks for being with us. And we will show you the calculation later. Is it done?